Tom was no ordinary boy. His curiosity was boundless, and his sense of adventure knew no limits. One crisp autumn morning, Tom sat by the window of his cozy, book-filled home, gazing out at the vast forest that lay beyond his backyard. To others, it was merely a backdrop, but to Tom, it was an enigma, a place filled with secrets waiting to be discovered. Yet, beneath his eagerness to explore was a nugget of fear, a fear of the unknown depths of the forest and the whispering winds that spoke of hidden dangers. One day, driven by an unyielding curiosity and a hint of bravery, Tom decided it was time to face his fear. Packing a small bag with essentials, a flashlight, a map, and some snacks, he set off towards the edge of the forest. His heart raced as he took his first steps into the shadowy depths. The canopy overhead blocked out much of the light, casting eerie shadows that seemed to dance and morph with every step he took. Every rustling leaf and snapping twig amplified his anxiety, but Tom pressed on. He recalled the stories his grandfather used to tell him about brave explorers and resilient heroes. He wanted to be one of them. As he walked deeper into the forest, he encountered his first major obstacle, a gurgling stream that seemed too wide to cross. Tom's mind raced, but his determination didn't waver. Spotting a fallen tree bridging the stream, he carefully navigated across it, his heart pounding with every step. Further in, the weather began to change. Dark clouds gathered, and the forest grew ominously silent. A storm was brewing. The first drops of rain fell, followed by a symphony of thunder. Tom found shelter under a thick canopy. But instead of turning back, he waited out the storm, using the time to study his map and plan his continued journey. The rain eventually ceased, and a rainbow formed in the sky, filling Tom with renewed hope. The final challenge awaited, a steep hill that seemed insurmountable. Tom's legs burned with every step, but he remembered his grandfather's words: "Courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it." With this in mind, he pushed himself harder, and finally, after what felt like an eternity, he reached the summit. The view was breathtaking. Tom had done it. He had faced his fears head-on and emerged victorious.